This video is going to give you an example for the task Jim Northington, what to do if you're having difficulty finding an address. So first, let's look here in Slack, which one we're talking about. And this guy was Jim Northington. And I know that you first went into Paragon, probably, and went here to CRS because this is how I put it in the original video. So you went to Northington, and then Jim, as you know, is short for James. So I know you clicked on there, and then up here is where you saw no address. All it said is no address. So there's two things that you can do in this case. Sometimes if you scroll down here, this report gets a lot of information, but if you scroll down here and you look down here, there's another field that might show the address. And under description, occasionally you can find it, especially if it's a condo. So this we know is Carolina Dunes apartment 401. So what we can do now is go into our MLS to find this address. And I was already trying to find it for you, but what I would do is search for condo. Or obviously if it's a residence, it'll give you the address, but whatever information you have from that legal description, put it in here so we know that we've got Carolina Dune. And it's giving us a choice of regular or North Myrtle Beach. So this says Cherry Grove. And just so you know, Cherry Grove is always North Myrtle Beach. That's something that you wouldn't know, but Cherry Grove is always North Myrtle Beach. So we've got Carolina Dune, North Myrtle Beach. And then let's see if we can find the unit number. It was 401. Okay, so it looks like we got a match. So there you can see the address of his property here if you open it up. And then you'll have this MLS sheet, but you don't, this is a no research, so you don't have to have it, but just for the address purposes of the pipe drive, you can put in 5806 North Ocean Boulevard, North Myrtle Beach, SC, Unit 401. Now, if this were a full research, you would obviously print this, but you don't need this sheet because it's a no research, but to put the address in there, that's the address, and then the community, or the condo building, I'm sorry, will be Carolina Dunes. Now, one other place you can look, let's say, for example, there was absolutely no information under legal description, and so you don't know where Jim not Northington owns anywhere on here. So another place you can go is horrycounty.org. And then you'll search by land records, and this website unfortunately is not working well today, so it may not work. But what you could do is type in the name, and this website is completely down this morning. But if it comes up here, which it should because it was in CRS, you'll see a search result for James Northington. You'll click on it, and it'll probably also have some address information in here. So if this website were working correctly, I type in Northington, we see James Northington down here. You can click on it, and then you may be able to find the address there. Thank you very much. Let me know if you have any questions.